Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to day 8 of the Organic Mushroom Grow Kit update. Check that out. This is so much fun. This is a great little project I think for kids to do, but for me, I love this kind of stuff. So anyway, it's day 8 and I was a day off. So I thought today was day 7, but it's actually day 8, but it doesn't matter because on the little instructions that come with it, it says on day 7 is decision day. So I made today decision day, but I'm supposed to decide how I want my mushrooms to actually end up. It says high temperatures make your mushrooms grow faster and lighter in color. Lower temperatures make them grow slower and darker in color. More light makes your organic mushrooms more vibrant, and less light makes them more gray. Regular airflow, like on your counter, makes organic mushrooms have big caps, and no airflow will make them have smaller caps. So what I've done is I've moved it here to my kitchen window in hopes that it'll get a little bit more sunlight and maybe those caps will turn a little bit more bright. Now it says on day 10, they want you to send a picture of your kit, which is kind of fun. I'll do that. But it's harvest time. When most of your organic mushroom cats are 1 to 2 inches wide, grab a hold right where they come out of the substrate and gently pull and twist to remove. So looky there, I have some of them that are already like 1 inch wide. That guy's even bigger. He's over an inch, like 1 1/4 inches. Anyway, this is super fun. So I'm going to let it go 2 more days, and then there are actually some recipes that they give you that you can make. So I'm going to make something with my mushrooms in a couple of days. But I just wanted you guys to take a look. Look at how far they stick out from the box. Let me turn it around. Look at that. Isn't that clever? I get a kick out of growing things, and this is something I thought was just kind of fun. So let's see what happens while it's sitting up in my window. I got to give it a little mist. Twice a day they want you to mist it with a few mists. So there you go. So we'll see how it turns out, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.